Hey everyone, we are coming back at you. First time taking out the motorhome since the Tampa RV show. It's been about a month or so. Now, on the way back from that show, we did incur a little bit of damage to our motorhome. It's kind of a long story, it's superficial, but we're gonna take it up, now that the weather's broken, take it up to Country Classic up in Wantage, New Jersey. That has been our RV repair shop for quite a few years. If you're new to this channel, remember who they are. We'll link a video up above that we did with them, but essentially they do all type of body work, frame straightening, interior remodels, pretty much everything to do on an RV. They do it, taking slides out, they fix water damage. The guys are awesome. Their reviews speak for themselves. Family owned and operated for, I believe, over 40 years. They always do excellent work. Waiting for the weather to break. We're gonna head up there now. We're gonna take you on the journey, show you the damage, which you've probably already seen, and then show you the finished result, put their information, because a lot of our subscribers have gone up to them. These guys are awesome, and it's so hard to find honest, reputable, and reasonable RV repair people, especially body work. These guys are great. And a lot of it's melting because right now it's in the 40s and all week's going to be in the high 50s. So spring is in the air. For those of you maybe wondering, where is Wantage, New Jersey? It's actually up in Sussex County. Now, New Jersey is not what everybody thinks. Well, what most people think that are not from the state. Congestion, grime, I mean, there is a lot of that. But Sussex County is quite different. It's very rural. There's a lot of space up there. So it's about an hour, a little under an hour from us. What's nice about it is that Wantage is on the border. It's very close to Pennsylvania border as well as New York State border. So it's accessible to a lot of viewers that are out there. And again, a lot of our viewers have gone to Country Classic just because they're so good. And what I mean about it is they do excellent work, like I said earlier. But what's really important is that if you call and make an appointment, they will get you in when they say they're going to get you in, and they will get you out when they say they're going to get you out. And that's so rare in the RV repair community now that it's really well appreciated, and they are experts at what they do. So the people have been working there. Mike Sr. started that business 40 plus years ago. Michael Jr., his son, has been doing it for a very long time also. And the people they have working there are good. They're not like fly by night. Oh, we just hired this guy and gave him a paint booth and a paint gun. These guys know what they're doing. They're really good at what they're doing. And you're going to see at the end of this how good their work comes out. We've also done with them the annual leak test. They use the Seal Tech system. It's a machine. They slightly pressurize the interior, and then they spray soapy solution, and any bubbles that come out in the exterior could be a potential area for intrusion where the leaks may be. They also give you a yearly certificate. So we've had ours leak test every single year. We've had no leaks. I guess it works, but of course we maintain everything. But yeah, those are some of the services they offer. Again, I do encourage you to go watch that video we linked earlier. Just dropping it off. It is Sunday. I told them I needed it by Friday. They assured us it would be done by Friday. Just based on the history of these guys, it will be done by Friday because we actually have to drop it off for the preseason service early in March. So it's a lot we got going on. We go through our checklist because we have a lot of travels coming up. So we try to get it in before that season really kicks off. While the repair shop and dealers are still somewhat slow, we try to get in before everybody else does. Look at this, guys. You see the drastic difference. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what MJ's car normally looks like. But we just got a call from Country Classic. The RV will be ready. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow. However, you might be asking, how do we get like that, guys? We use a simple cleaner. I'm going to take this opportunity to thank the sponsor of this video. It's going to be Release Cleaner. You can get results like this, guys, in seconds. And we did this before we came on camera. We purposely left the driver's side of this bumper dirty because we want to show you Release Cleaner, which is an all-in-one cleaning solution. Now, if you watched our channel, you know we've used Release many times. It's safe on all surfaces, so paint, glass, wheels. It truly is an all-in-one cleaner. We use it to clean our roof, jewelry.
You cleaned shoes, grease out of your jeans.
Grease out of my jeans. And people love when we do these live demonstrations. We're going to make this whole bumper look like the clean side. So the formula in Release, what it does, it associates with the dirt. I'm using it now with the foam dispenser If you don't want to use a foam dispenser, you can also use a spray bottle. I'm going to show it over here quickly and spray on here. And I'm going to let it work for a couple of seconds. You can already see how it's working. It's associating with the dirt. What's nice about Release, guys, is that it's made in the USA. There's no sulfurs, dyes in it, and it's an all-in-one solution. So what I mean all-in-one is you can use it to clean everything. And I think it's had enough time to work. So if you want to towel me, hon, if you want to... I didn't say throw a fastball at me.
That was lefty too, by the way.
Towel me. Why it's awesome, guys, you know, when we're on the road, obviously the motorhome's not here because it's up at repair, but we're on the road, you get all those bugs in front. But it's not only for RVs, guys. We're going to demonstrate how easy it is to use on a car, or really anything. The results are the same. So this has been working for, I don't know, a minute or so. You see, this is a clean towel, guys. It's just stained because we've used it so many times, but I'm just going to quickly wipe. I'm just going to show you how quickly and how easily this releases the dirt.
Ew.
There it is. So it's going to go one more time.
God, my car needed a clean.
Oh, her car's really bad.
So bad.
Just look over here. One-stop shopping, super easy. Look how easy that is to clean. I'm going to go one more time over here. Now, obviously, guys, this car is extremely dirty, so I'm going to have to just wipe it one more time. And just look, guys, how quickly that was to clean up. Super simple, really a savior on the road if you just want a quick cleanup. The most economical is going to be the 1 gallon concentrate. It's going to make 80 32-ounce bottles at the strongest solution, which is what I'm using here. It's a 1 part release to 20 part water. That's our preferred solution. It's going to cost you a little over $1 per bottle. So if you're on an RV and you want to carry a lot of bottles, just get that 1 gallon concentrate, 80 32-ounce bottles. Also, since you've seen it on our channel, go to releasecleaner.com, use the discount code ENDLESS10, gets you 10% off of your purchase, plus any purchase over $100 is going to be free shipping. Again, made in the USA. It's a great company. Our subscribers love it. We want your feedback for people that are using Release. Put in the comments below what has been your result. You can see, guys, we just did it here live in less than a minute. That's the result. If you want more information on Release, if you want to pick up a bottle, we'll put the link down below. So we are back. Everything is done. Of course, it came out as good as new. Actually, not to say that this is a good thing that was done, but the bay doors, you know, they had, over time, they get little nicks and stone chips that kick up. You get little chips in there. So now the doors look great. They look like they're brand new. These guys always do a good job. So I have about an hour drive. I brought the Mustang up, gonna hook up, head back home before it gets dark. Guys, if you need body work, you're in the New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania area, really any kind of work, slide adjustments, whole house rebuilds, they do pretty much everything here, remodels. Highly encourage you guys, check out Country Classic and Wantage. You don't have to believe us. We'll put their link down below. You can look at their reviews, and they are 5 stars. They've been in business for a long time. If you like videos like this, guys, to the left of us, we'll put our RV Tours playlist. We'll also put our RV Newbies playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.